Okay, so today we are going to shorten up some doors on the bottom here. They had a guy come in and do all the flooring, which looks really good. But the door needs trimmed up because it is scratching the floor. It's hitting the floor, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. So the first thing I want to do is measure the height between the floor and we're going to go the bottom of this hinge piece right here. So we got 11.5 over here. We've got about 11.5. Our door is hitting the floor. I can't even put it on the hinge here because it's touching the floor. So we would need to take off at least 1/8 of an inch for the floor, but we also need to make up for this 1/8 of an inch here on this transition piece because it is sticking up. So I've determined that we need to take off 1/4 inch on the bottom. Make sure you know that this is the bottom of the door. Okay, so let's do our measurements. I'm gonna burn 1 inch and do 1/4 inch right there. 1/4 inch. Okay, now do the tape. Right on that line. Right on the line. Bam! Flip the door. This is just going to keep the paint from chipping on either side. Look at all that snow. Nice, huh? Okay, now we're gonna take this puppy outside. Looks like somebody already did some work on this. Did a number on it anyway. Okay, we're gonna set our saw blade depth. It's good. I'm just gonna zip this guy right off there. Let's check it. Beautiful. Look at that. Floor isn't quite level, but that's okay. We've got clearance. Door 1 down. Okay. Door number 2. How goofy do I look? Pretty goofy, huh? Okay, same thing here. Okay, so let's check this out. Got 11.5 again. 11.5 again off of here. The threshold, so we're gonna go another 1/4 inch. Another 1/4 inch. Go. Just like that. Okay, so we're still scraping just a tiny bit here. And looks like we have plenty of room on this end down here. So I'm gonna run tape just an 1/8 of an inch high off of there, and then meet up right on the corner. So we're not losing any gap there. We're not adding to that gap, but we are. Remember, the hinge side stays, the swing end loses an 1/8. Okay, hinge side stays. We're gonna do about 1/8 of an inch over here, just a bit. So let's get this right there, and this guy right there. See how that works? Just like that. Alright, there she is. Look at that. What a beauty. That's it. In and out. Very nice.